Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, let's look at how to download and install fonts on both Mac and Windows operating systems. A couple of great websites to find and explore fonts to download are Google Fonts, which is fonts.google.com, or dafont.com, dafont.com. Let me download a font that I don't have already. Let's go with Enter Tight, Get Font, Download All. Once you've unzipped the file, open the folder, and you should see a true type font or an open type font file. In this case, it's also downloaded a folder with the individual font weights if you want to install those separately. And now what you can do is just double click on one of those font files, and it will ask you to install. Now if I do a search, you can see the font right here. Now let's go to the Windows computer. This time for my Windows computer, let's download a font from dafont.com. Download. Once you unzip the font, you'll see this one only has one true type font, and I can see the preview in my preview pane. Just click on the font and click Install. And now when I go to add text in an Adobe program or Microsoft Office, from my character palette here, you should see that installed font now. If this video helped you out, please like the video so others can find it, and that lets me know you like this type of content, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Take care.